Next up, IANR's Odor Footprint Tool recently took center stage when helping to decide a Nebraska Supreme Court decision. The Odor Footprint Tool estimates the frequency of disruptive odor events around an existing or proposed livestock operation. Information from the tool is then used to determine minimum separation distances that should be maintained and also to aid in where facilities can be built. In the latest case of Aiken versus County of Lancaster, the Nebraska Supreme Court affirmed the rulings of lower courts that a county zoning permit for 3 poultry barns was justified, in part because neighbors would be, quote, free of odor 94% of the time, end quote. Nebraska Extension Ag and Water Law Specialist Dave Aiken says the tool should have a role in future livestock nuisance litigation.
Before we had the odor footprint, people would just come to the trial and the testimony is, a lot of it is subjective. But here we have something that is much more objective and it puts actual numbers on what we're looking at. So having something that is more concrete and objective is a new dimension to these lawsuits.
Dave says it's the first instance of the odor footprint tool being used in a case like this in Nebraska, but it's likely not the last.
My personal opinion is that it'll make this odor footprint standard operating procedure. If we have more nuisance lawsuits in Nebraska, both the plaintiff's attorney who is going against the nuisance and the defendant's attorney who is defending the nuisance, they'll both want an odor footprint done so that they can have something specific in terms of the parameters.
If you're looking to start or add to your livestock operation, you can find more information about the odor footprint tool on the Market Journal website.